There's really two reasons I found that women are coming into the cannabis industry. So the first one that we need to recognize is that women are smart. They see the opportunity just like everybody else does in cannabis. And what it really helps them do is they can be the founders of the company. They can be the CEO of a company. They don't have to be stuck as the senior vice president of something and see all these white men get promoted in front of them. So they can create the companies, create the company culture that they want, and then they can work with the colleagues that they want to work with. And what we see is when women start companies, they actually hire more women, but they hire more people of color. They hire more people from the LGBTQ community, people with different abilities, veterans. And it's because we intuitively know that when you have more perspectives, your business is going to be successful because you don't have one way of thinking about something. The second reason that women are coming into cannabis is they get to create the products that fit into their lifestyle. We're not interested in having the strain with the most THC possible, so we're couch locked the entire weekend, right? Nor are we interested in the world's tallest bong. We need something small, discreet, that's gonna fit in our bag, because we've got shit to do. Like, we're the leaders in communities, in our families, in our companies, and if cannabis is gonna come into our health and wellness routine, it has to be an easy way to adopt that. And who knows better what women want than women.
I tried in vain. In the height of my despair, I tossed my heart to the floor.